Welcome. If you've ever come across a pin on Pinterest that you believe shouldn't be there, maybe it's spam, inappropriate, or violates community guidelines, knowing how to report it is essential. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to report a pin using the Pinterest app, updated for 2025. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Take a moment to log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, browse or search until you find the pin you want to report. This could be anything from misleading content to something that just doesn't belong on the platform. When you've found the pin, tap on it to open it fully. In the top right corner of the pin, you'll see 3 small dots. This is the options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to bring up a list of actions you can take. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Report. This will open a new screen where you'll be asked to choose the reason for your report. Pinterest provides several options such as spam, inappropriate content, copyright infringement, and more. Take a moment to select the reason that best matches your concern. After you've chosen your reason, follow the on-screen instructions. Pinterest may ask for a bit more detail depending on what you selected. For example, if you're reporting copyright infringement, you might need to provide information about your original work. If it's spam or inappropriate content, a simple confirmation is usually enough. Once you've filled in the necessary details, submit your report by tapping the button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Pinterest will review your report and take action if the pin violates their guidelines. Reporting pins helps keep Pinterest a safe and inspiring place for everyone. If you ever spot something that doesn't seem right, don't hesitate to use these steps. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.